Paddy People Television is reporting to you from the Chaimon Kun School, at South Pattaya Road, opposite the Chaimon Kun Temple. We're here at the new gorgeous hall here at the school. Today is a very historic day because today a new sport has come to Thailand. It's called floorball. It's played by a ball like this and with a stick like this, and you can't believe it. I was there in the first game also, so you can see I'm really knocked out totally. I won't be able to do any more interviews for the next months or so, but I'll try to struggle through this one here. We had people coming from the International Floorball Federation coming to help teach floorball to children and adults, basically teachers from the various schools of Pattaya coming here today, and representatives from the Pattaya City Hall. Kun Pisai was here also, and so it was very enjoyable. We had the first game, a historic game of floorball here in Thailand, and now we're going to ask these people, what is floorball all about? Well, maybe I'll start with this gentleman over here from Finland.
Yes. So floorball, it's a little bit like a gentleman's version of ice hockey. A bit faster, like you mentioned, played with a plastic ball and sticks like this. Very fast-paced game. That's about summarizes it.
When you look at it, it looks very relaxed, but when you're on the pitch, you seem to run and run and run and run.
Yes, especially if the other team is better than you.
Now, the guy who brought floorball here to Thailand is Ossi Viljanen, and he's a golf pro, and he likes all kind of sports. And Ossi, why did you get into this with floorball?
This is the game what we usually playing in the school in the springtime, autumn time, when the outdoors it was impossible to playing the ice hockey or the football. So we went to indoor and playing the floorball. And nobody doesn't believe in that time it's going to be probably Olympic game, World Championship, so on. So now it's here in Thailand, and Floorball Federation is here. And I really want to thanks to the Finnish Floorball Federation, International Floorball Federation, especially thanks for Mr. Ripa and Merita Bruun and all the guys from Finland. Thanks a lot.
Now, in July, we're going to have the first big international tournament with teams coming from all over the world here to Pattaya. Pattaya is going to be the mecca of floorball in Thailand.
Yeah, I hope so. It's going to be 22nd on July. Everybody welcome. So you bring your team and we're going to play a big tournament here.
In the meantime, we are now trying to organize to have floorball sessions every Sunday here at the Chaimon Kun School, 2 o'clock for the children of the various schools coming and learning how to play floorball. And then 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock, the adults will then train to what later will become the national team.
Yeah, exactly. It was a lot of fun. We came here today, 10:30. And when the kids came here to watching the game, we got at least 50-60 kids here, and they really enjoy the game. And that's what we start probably next month. Songkram is too wet just playing in here. So we start on the next month every Sunday, 2 o'clock.
Now, from Finland, how long time have you been playing floorball?
I think I have played something like 8 years now. At least. We have started to play, first we were just with the friends, we just play outside, and after that, something like 8 years ago, we go inside to play and we make a team then there and start it then.
And floorball is now worldwide, and as Ossi said, it's about to become an Olympic sport also.
Yeah, it's still, let's hope it's coming to do that one, because anyway in Finland there is a lot of players to floorball. There is only ice hockey and football what is more popular than floorball. And at the moment, floorball also is growing in the fastest also in Finland. So there is coming more and more players all the time.
Klaus, you're from Denmark. You played first division floorball, and then by coincidence, you happened to be here at the time where the first historic game of floorball in Thailand. How do you feel about it?
Well, I'm totally exhausted. I have never been out for a game like this. The speed was extremely high, and yes, I'm exhausted.
Now, the floorball is also very enjoyable to watch. It's a spectator's game, isn't it?
Well, I've not been spectator, so I don't know, but for sure it's nice to play. So
a lot of different, as we say, it's easy to play basic floorball. It's difficult to play the top level.
Like every other things in the world, of course it is. Everyone can start play floorball, it's pretty easy to get started, but to be a good player takes a lot of work.
So there you are, ladies and gentlemen. Pattaya may be the mecca of floorball here in Thailand. The first game has just taken place, and I hope you can see something in this feature from some of all the actions of the game here today. Anyway, welcome to floorball and to floorball mecca Pattaya.
Thank you. Hey.